Hello guys, today I will talk that what are the best forex brokers in US. So I will share this list with you. These forex brokers offer the best platform for all type of traders. So let's check this list. So first of all, we have CMS Markets. That is one of the best overall for all range and offers. On the second, we have London Capital Group (LCG), best forex broker for beginners. Number 3, we have Saxo Capital Markets, best forex broker for advanced traders. Number 4, we have XBT Online Trading, which is best forex broker for low cost. Number 5, we have IG, that is best forex broker for US traders, no matter you are beginner or a expert. So it is one of the best broker for your business. Number 6, we have best forex broker, which is Pepperstone. Pepperstone is a best trading experience and forex broker for all over the world.